Have you ever dreamt of making money online, right from the comfort of your own home? Imagine turning that dream into reality by selling products online. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a viable path to financial independence. In our increasingly digital world, e-commerce is booming, and it's not slowing down. It's a modern-day gold rush, and it's ripe with opportunities for those willing to seize them. If you've ever wondered about how to tap into this digital gold rush, this video is for you. The first step to making money online is identifying a product to sell. It's like a treasure hunt, and the treasure is a product that people want, but isn't drowning in a sea of competition. So how do you find this elusive treasure? It all starts with market research. Market research is your map in this treasure hunt. It helps you understand what products are in demand, what's trending, and where there might be a gap in the market that you can fill. There are various online tools to assist you in this process. These tools can provide insights into what people are buying, talking about, and searching for. But don't just rely on data. Consider your own interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? These are potential gold mines as well. After all, it's easier to sell a product you believe in. Remember, the key is to find a product that is in demand, but not overly saturated in the market. Once you've got your product, the next step is setting up your online store. The digital marketplace is vast, but there are several platforms that stand out. Let's start with Amazon and eBay. These giants offer a massive customer base and simplicity of use. However, they also come with competition and fees. Alternatively, you could create your own personal website. This gives you full control over your brand and eliminates competition on the same platform, though it requires more work in terms of design and customer acquisition. Regardless of the platform you choose, here are a few tips to make your store shine. Keep your store clean and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and write clear, engaging product descriptions. Remember, customer service is key. Promptly address any customer queries or concerns. Your store is your virtual storefront, so make sure it reflects the quality of your products. Now that your store is set up, it's time to get the word out about your product. Start with social media advertising, an accessible and cost-effective way to reach a wide audience. SEO, or search engine optimization, can also increase your visibility in online searches. Don't forget email marketing, a personalized approach to connect with your customers. Building a customer base and maintaining good customer relations are fundamental. Remember, marketing is all about getting your product in front of the right people at the right time.